Online food ordering industry is growing 3 times faster than dine out. Globally, the food delivery industry is estimated to account for $135 billion by 2023. Looking locally, in India alone, online food ordering platform deliver 4 million orders on average per day. Typically, a food delivery platform handles search and discovery of restaurants, their menu, rating and reviews, order placement and cash transaction systems, and most importantly, delivering food from partner restaurants to customers. Let's take a look at current delivery model. A meal weighing approximately 1 kg is delivered by a delivery person on a two-wheeler. One can immediately see that overhead of 120 kg moves in order to deliver a relatively small meal. This leads to huge transportation inefficiencies. Requirement of human resource due to lack of autonomy, delivery vehicle asset and fuel cost all account to a high cost of 65 rupees per delivery. Part of this fee is charged from customer and the rest from partner restaurant. Additionally, these orders are not uniformly distributed, peaking at lunch and delivery times. Since bikes are confined to roads at these peak hours, they contribute and are affected by the traffic congestions. This results in time taken to fulfill single delivery to 35 minutes on average. Additionally, due to this time constraint, any restaurant is serviceable to a very small neighborhood of less than 5 km. To improve upon these problems, we propose using unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly abbreviated as UAVs or more popularly drones. There are several advantages to using UAVs. UAVs have to travel shorter distance as they enjoy Euclidean distance over Manhattan distance. Additionally, aerial vehicles can travel at much higher speeds than ground vehicles. UAVs are not affected by traffic congestion as they can parallelly travel at different altitudes. Further, since UAVs are autonomous, human resource cost is eliminated, which accounts to 25% of total delivery cost. Once order is received, our UAV will arrive at the restaurant and self-charge while order is being prepared. We will partner with restaurants to place self-charging docks on rooftops as holding charge required for single delivery reduces battery weight, in turn reducing total weight, making drones safe, efficient and maneuverable during flight. Once order is prepared, it is placed inside UAV. The UAV then drops the package to drop location of customer, which will be picked up by the customer. Once delivery is complete, UAV will proceed to the next pickup location. For the proposed delivery model, our UAV should be able to vertically take off and land and at the same time should be efficient in forward flight. Our UAV will need quick charge times for self-charging during pickups. To be completely autonomous, UAVs should be able to map the environment, localize itself in this map and should have obstacle avoidance capabilities. Additionally, we should be able to map city building heights so that we can plan trajectory in advance and let users select its accessible drop location in this 3D map. For vertical takeoff and landing and efficient forward flight, we will use hybrid UAVs or tail-seaters. Tail-seaters has a disadvantage that orientation of payload will change from vertical to horizontal, which may not be allowed in case of pizza. For quick charging and discharge, we will use lithium titanate battery over lithium ion batteries as they have longer cycle lives, charges to 80% in less than 6 minutes and safe to punchers. These advantages come at the price of low energy density and lower nominal voltage compared to lithium ion batteries. For localization, mapping and obstacle avoidance, we will use RGB and event cameras as they are reliable opposed to GPS, versatile, low weight and have low power consumption. Our estimated cost of energy and battery degradation comes down from 65 rupees to mere 6.5 rupees. Serviceable distance is also increased at higher speeds. Now, to convince you that proposed solution is well possible with the current state of research, have a look at hover control of fixed wing drone in presence of disturbances, recovering from aggressive throws, tracking figure 8 trajectory at high angles of attack, pose estimation using event cameras at low light conditions, even at very high speeds, simultaneous localization and mapping in outdoors environment, learning depth by generating training data from multi-view stereo and predicting high-resolution RGBD map in real time with single camera, and in turn estimating 360-degree depth with multiple cameras. All this enables to plan trajectory to narrow gaps even in presence of modeling and external uncertainties. Dodging dynamic obstacles at high speeds is also possible. Drones can do 3D reconstruction from motion, with which we can map city in 3D to plan optimum trajectory in presence of hugely varying building heights and let user select its drop site. Drones are able to perch on inclined surfaces and self-charge on docks. Open source simulators like Gazebo can simulate control, motion planning, and visual navigation for rapid testing on every iteration. All this has enabled companies to test delivering goods with UAVs. We will use the funding for battery pack design, 3D printing for prototype development, avionics, GPU time for testing 3D reconstruction and obstacle avoidance algorithms, and cloud storage for video and other high frequency logging data.